Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, in this figure, we're told that BD is parallel to AE. And with this information, we can see that angle CBD is equal to angle CAE, right? Because if we think of these as parallel lines intersecting AC, they're going to form the same corresponding angles with the same line. So this angle is going to be the same as this angle. And a similar thing with CE, they're going to be forming the same lines. So this angle is going to be the same as this angle. So given this information, we can note in the triangles CBD and the triangle CAE, we have two pairs of angles that are the same, right? Angle CBD is equal to angle CAE, and angle CDB is equal to angle CEA. Right? These two are the same, and these two are the same. Therefore, we have two sets of angles that are equal, and therefore the triangles are similar. So we have the mini triangle and the full triangle are similar, which means their angles are all equal and their sides are proportional. So if we just write in these angles right here, and then obviously all their angles are the same, they share angle C. And we know that the little triangle has side lengths of 8 and 6, and then the big one has an 18 right here. So we're looking for CE. So CE is this, so it's the hypotenuse of this, of the larger triangle. So to find that, first we have to find the hypotenuse of the smaller triangle. Luckily it's a right triangle, so you can just take the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A and B are the two legs of the right triangle. So we have 8 squared plus 6 squared is equal to c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. 8 squared is 64, plus 6 squared is 36, is equal to c squared. 64 plus 36 is 100, is equal to c squared. And if you take the square root of both sides, you get 10 is the square root of 100, is equal to, and then the square root of c squared is c. So c is equal to 10, that means the hypotenuse of the little triangle is equal to 10. Now, how do we use that to find the hypotenuse of the larger triangle? Well, we know they're similar, so their sides are going to be proportional. So the ratio of these corresponding sides right here, right, of 18 to 6, tells us that every side of the larger triangle is 3 times the smaller triangle, because 18 is 3 times 6. So the hypotenuse of this triangle is going to be 1/3 of the big triangle. So we multiply this by 3 to get 30. That is the length of this hypotenuse, because it's 3 more than the little one, which means CE is equal to 30, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.